I guess Jason's getting old too.
Well, no, you know what he does though? If you walk, when you're working him, just watch this line.
Bring your arm up around his head.
Off slightly, so that he's got more room to come. So you think he's at the end of the line, he's really not. So he kind of suckers you in. Then you can hit him with the stick if you want. You can kind of hit him down towards there if you can.
Good job, Jason.
Yeah, very nice.
The one thing you might want to try too, you've got him like in here, bring your other arm over and wrap him. Yeah, just like that. See how he dug in? When he does it again?
Yeah, when he digs in, then you release it.
Then you release it.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So see, you're showing, you're making him uncomfortable, and then when he bites through it, then you release it, then you do it again. And try it all out. Go, out. Flat. Hey. Flat. No. Right. Then when the dog comes off, always watch your off hand, both your hands.
Okay. Watch both your. Really?